really important for me to have memories of my daughter growing up. So the reason I've got the 250D is because I want to capture memories in a really special way. Having it on auto, you get the most amazing pictures without having to do anything. I turn it on, put the camera to my eye, and there we are. I prefer using the viewfinder. I feel like you can get more in touch with your photos. Sitting where I was sitting, Rosie was a tiny dot, but changing the lens made it look like she was much closer. Taking the lens off is really easy. You just press the button there, twist it anti-clockwise, like that, and then back on. Line up the dots, the little white squares, and voila! So the really good thing about the 250D is that I can do as much or as little as I want with it. Because it's a Canon camera, I don't have to worry about compatibility of lenses. They have so many different types to choose from. So there's a screen on the back. You can use it for looking at photos. You can also swipe and scroll through the photos. You can zoom in on them by pinching, using your fingers. You can use the screen for different angles. You can take really high up shots and then use the screen pointing downwards so that you can actually see what's going on. I took some photos of Rosie and I earlier and they came out really, really well. I love the camera. I do really love it.